Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to the video, and I personally welcome you on this video about editing or optimizing your reels or whatever video you have before you upload them to your social media. Okay? So as you can see on my background here, I have Filmora. Wondershare Filmora is my number one editing software. This is where I started. This is my, how do you say this, a stepping stone going through the editing lifestyle. Let me check that real quickly. I think it's gonna be the download I'm doing earlier. Perfect. Anyway, let's get started right here. Hey, by the way, before we get started, I want to ask you kindly to get a piece of paper, a pen would do just to follow the steps here. Actually, it's a really one easy step here. So let's just say you're done recording, you're done finishing, and now you're gonna edit your raw videos before you render them before uploading to your reels. For example, right here, I'm just gonna drag my raw files. Let's just say these are your raw files, okay? So as you can see right here, I'm gonna drag this one. Easy as that. This is my library right now. It is the same process as all of the software editing out there. I'm sorry, editing softwares. Anyway, once you drag your software or your media onto the timeline, as you can see here, it's already in the timer, right? Now in Filmora, since I already tried it earlier, every time that I drag something from the library to the timeline, it's gonna ask me something right here. I notice that what is the resolution for the rendered up project. Now, since I already clicked for my specific resolution on this project, it won't show up again. But for discussion purposes, I can just click right here, File, and then click on Project Settings, and make sure that you choose Full HD right here. That is how you're gonna make your reels videos more enticing. Now with this one, if you wanna choose 4K, of course you can click that one. It's gonna be 4K when it's rendered. That's the one easy step, actually one step only, to make your reels or your videos optimized and up to the step. Okay? I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. So please hit the like button, subscribe. Thank you for watching.